a development update on the FluxTune artificial radio. I've implemented a lot of features. We're looking at the simulated 40-meter band. Let me begin tuning up the dial. And we will encounter a station and begin seeing the signal strength meter light up, begin hearing the station. When we're tuned on, we will get a station lock LED lighting on the front panel. So this is just a station calling CQ. If I tune up the dial, we end up at a creepy number station. It sends groups of 5 numbers at a time, modeled after real-world creepy CW number stations. If I continue up the dial, we encounter a radio teletype station, which is at 4050. And it's actually sending real radio teletype. I forget the message. And if we continue up, there's one more station up at 6, which is an old style analog paging system. And so as I tune around, I can hear all the stations being simulated at the same time. There are 4 sine wave generators internally in the hardware that are being used to create the simulations. Those are model AD9833 signal generators. We're hearing the creepy number station sending its preamble, which is FT over and over again, and then it'll begin sending numbers. So that is a development update on the FluxTune artificial radio. Next steps are to make the stations appear on the dial infinitely as you tune with a pipelining system, which is a work in progress.